In this video, we are going to learn how to partially close a Forex trade inside of the MT4 or MetaTrader 4 platform. However, before we get started, please give this video a like and certainly subscribe to my channel if I'm able to give you this information quickly, completely, and straight to the point. The reason I say that is when I wanted to learn this, I had to watch several videos, and it took most people over 5 minutes to get to the point. Let's avoid that nonsense and get you the information and learning you need. So again, how to partially close a Forex trade. Let's first open a trade. I'm going to go to new order, and let's do this at $10 per pip. And let's do this at $10 per pip or one full lot. I don't really care which way the price is going right now. I'm going to click buy. And we are immediately in a trade. You'll see down here, GBP USD at 1.00 or $10 per pip. Now in this example, it doesn't matter whether I'm in profit or I'm in drawdown. I want to close half of this trade out. We can make the assumption that I'm in profit and I want to go ahead and take 50% of my lot size off the table. The way to do this efficiently inside of MT4 is to right-click anywhere in the terminal area down here, and note that you do not want to click Close Order. That will immediately close the order, assuming you have one-click trading enabled. If you do not have one-click trading enabled, then you will get something similar to this window here, which is really where we're trying to get to anyway. However, again, if you click Close Order and you have one-click trading enabled, and I'll show you where that's. Professional Forex traders trade using MetaTrader 4 in the cloud with their own VPS or virtual private server. A VPS is a Windows-based computer in the cloud that runs 24/7 with the fastest speeds and the highest internet connectivity. If you are running automated robots or accessing a copy trade service that sends you automated trades, you need to be connected all the time to ensure your trades are executed efficiently. To find out the best VPS service and to learn how to set up and optimize your system with the proper settings and the fastest MT4 terminal in portable mode, be sure to check the link in the description of this video. If you're on a mobile device, click the video title below to see the description area and then click the VPS link to get a full playlist of training videos on how to get up and running with your own VPS in the next few minutes. It's done. It will immediately close the order. Another way to immediately close the order, if you do have one-click trading enabled, is over on the right here and literally just hit the X. And that will close the trade. Where is one-click trading enabled at? Let's go up to Tools and Options. And here in the Trade tab down at the bottom, one-click trading. If that is enabled, it makes this process faster. However, it also makes it a little bit more dangerous because if you have one-click trading enabled, when you make a choice, it happens. So again, let's go ahead and partially close. We're in at $10 per pip. Let's close 50% of that down and get rid of $5 or half of the $10, $5. Let's get rid of that. So right click, I'm going to click modify or delete order. And then I have to drop down the box here and choose market execution. So this becomes live and active. And you'll see my volume is at 1.00 or $10 per pip. I'm going to go ahead and put this at 0.50. That means I want to close down half of what I had opened. And then I click the yellow button down here that says close. And you'll notice that immediately down here in the terminal, my lot size is now 0.5. Now, as you can see, my lot size is 0.50 or $5. Let's go ahead and close out $1 of that. So I'm going to reduce it to 0.40. So I right click, I click modify or delete order. I choose market execution. And to close out $1, I'm going to put 0.10 and hit close. And now My lot size is 0.4. That is how you do a partial close in MT4. And like I said earlier, if one-click trading is enabled, I can click this X right here and close out the entire trade. Let's go ahead and uncheck one-click trading. So Tools, Options, I'm going to uncheck one-click trading, hit OK. And once I go into an order, I'm going to place a new order. I'm going to go ahead and just hit Sell here, and I'm in an order. You can see it down here in the terminal. However, since one-click trading is not enabled, when I click the X here to close this out, I get the modification panel. So depending on whether you have that one-click trading enabled or not, you'll notice it's somewhat of a protection, so you can't just click that X and immediately cancel out. However, there will be times when you want to immediately cancel out, so you can select that one-click trading. At this point, I can reduce my lot size all the way down to the minimum, close out that much, hit close, hit OK, and you'll see I closed down 10 cents of the 0.4, so now it's 0.39 or $3.90 per pip. So that's it for this video. I hope it was much more educational and we got right to the point and gave you the full spectrum of the information you needed. Again, please click the like button below and subscribe so you get my latest videos that cut through all of the wordiness and get you the information you need. That's it. This is Terry, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.